All right, guys, I just wanted to make another quick little video here. I did have a question about, how do you print an entire assignment from Google Classroom? Say you have like something that the kids wrote and you want to print every single one of them so you can just kind of flip through, write on their paper and hand them back a paper. Now, here's the unfortunate thing. Google Classroom, of course, is designed to save paper. That's the whole point of it, basically. And so Google doesn't necessarily have a easy method of doing this. It's just simply, you have to look at it online, make your comments, and return the assignment to the students through Google Classroom. But the trick I was going to show you here, and this trick is not necessarily really a trick because it does take a little bit of time. So let's say, for instance, I've got my, assignment here, these Civil War newspapers. All right, the unfortunate thing is there was an extension called PDF Mergy, which we're going to use here in a moment, but the extension used to work seamlessly with Google Classroom, but now it doesn't necessarily work that way. And so what you're going to need to do here is go to PDF Mergy, and at PDF Mergy, you'll click on this first one here. It says PDF Mergy. So again, PDF Mergy is what you're going to need to search for. Click on PDF Mergy. And now as you can see here, it gives you choices. You can select files from your computer or you can select files from Drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all the documents from one assignment and merge them into one PDF, and then you'll print that one PDF. So what you're going to do here is, of course, look for your classroom. There on your classroom, of course, I have lots of class periods here. Find the class period you want, so I'm going to go to the 7th period classroom, and the assignment I'm looking for is this Civil War newspaper. All right, so once I get there, of course, it doesn't really matter if it doesn't load up the image here or whatever. But what I'm going to do is click on the first one, hold down my Shift key, scroll to the bottom, and have all of them selected here. Now, of course, you can do the trick too. I'm going to click off here. You can do the trick too if you're, hold down the Control key and you can just pick certain ones that you want to print. Say you don't want to print everybody, you just want to print certain ones. But I'm going to go ahead and hit Shift, hold down the Shift key, scroll to the bottom, and get all of them. Okay, and so I'm going to select all of those. All right, now, there you can see there's all of the, assignments here that they did. All right, now I'm going to click on the Merge button right here. Now, here's where you're going to have to sit and wait. So hopefully you have some other stuff you can work on another tab, because it's going to take, at least 3 or 4 minutes before it all merges. So I'm going to say goodbye for a second, and I'm going to come back here in just a moment, and we're going to fast forward 3 or 4 minutes into the future, and that'll be merged. All right, so we're just going to wait for just a few minutes. All right, here we are back again. It did take a couple minutes here, so it's kind of like watching water boil. It's not going to do it if you sit there and watch it. So I would suggest, opening another tab, looking at your email, going and doing something else that you need to do while it's working on converting the files. All right, and so now all of those documents are in one PDF file, and so you can save that to your computer or you can save it to your Google Drive. In my case, I'm just going to save it to my computer here real quick, and you're going to watch here in a moment. It's going to ask me to name it, and so I'm going to call it 7th period Civil War newspapers. All right, and so I'm going to save it to my computer. You'll see here on the bottom of my screen, it'll start downloading it, and so it's downloaded the PDF. So I'm going to click on it, and I want to see where it is in the folder. Of course, it'll be here in the downloads, and so I'll click on that PDF, and now it's going to open it up in a new, browser here. It's going to open up the actual file. So give it a second here, and there it is. All right, so now when I scroll down, you can see I've got, if I scroll down quite a ways, well, it'll take a moment for it to catch up here, but all the student files are on that one PDF. All right, so everything's there. So now all I got to do is hit my file and print, and then I can print off all of those files at one time. All right, so that's all you got to do. I know it's not an easy procedure, but that's really the best we can do with it, since Google doesn't easily let you print all those files at once. All right, so hopefully that helped, and I'll talk to you later.